Hey everyone, this is Chris with Flat Six Motorsports, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install this competition X-Pipe exhaust system from Soul Performance on this 911 Turbo S. And stay tuned for the end of the video because we'll have some before and after sound clips to show you just how loud this thing roars. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull this bumper off, and that's going to allow us to have access to the exhaust system so we can change it out. If you want to see more details about the bumper removal procedure, check out our 991 Turbo BMC air filter install video. I'll put the link somewhere here, and that should give you as much detail as you need to get the bumper off. And once it's off, it's pretty easy to get the exhaust installed. So let's get right to work, and hopefully this thing will sound really sick afterwards. So now we're about halfway through this job, and I want to take a minute to show you guys what the car looks like with all the exhaust pieces removed. We have removed the entire OEM exhaust system, including the factory catalytic converters, because we're going to be replacing those with a set of high flow cat bypass pipes, which are going to be for race use only. With this high flow exhaust system, we're going to run a custom Flat Six Motorsports tune for the car, and that's going to help us unleash the full potential of these turbos and get as much power down to these wheels as possible. This exhaust makes a great upgrade because it saves us some weight and gives us the power that we want. And also the X-Pipe design with the high flow resonators ensures that we get an awesome sound, and it's going to sound aggressive as well. So let's go ahead and finish installing this exhaust here. We're going to show you some before and after sound clips, and then stay tuned for an upcoming video when we show you the dyno results before and after on this car to show you how much power we were able to make with these simple bolt-ons.